Okay, so we finally got here. Yay! We're here. We didn't die, we didn't get in car accidents, and beat up any old people, so pretty happy about that.
Yep. So now we're running at 10.
10. We're shimmering. Alright, we're gonna take pictures now. Bye!
Bye.
You're being recorded. I want to be 10, and I'm not. I'm pale. Look at my paleness. Pale. Pale. I have to be tan. Chris is tanner than me. Look at her.
I am tan. Look at my tan line.
Okay, bye. Is bliss. I swear to God. Look at these fucking people. I'm not even kidding.
Sitting on top of it.
Grant,
Don't put that close.
it's not that close.
Yeah, it is.
People insist on sitting on top of us. It's awesome. It was totally empty here when we got here, and there's so much room, but everybody wants to be next to us. I don't know what it is. We're just that great.
We're cute in our music.
Yes. We just want to listen to our music.
Bye.
Goodbye.
It's all fish.
What kind of fish?
It was this big.
No,
it was
not.
Like that. Like that whale. It was like as big as a whale.
Nuh-uh.
Like it was so big. Come back and it was long. It was like this. And I ran.
What color was it?
It was like silver.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
Not
weird.
kidding. Like I'm just not a joke. What are you smiling at?
Because it's so...
I'm ready to go now. I'm scared.
Who sees fish in the ocean?
No, Nikki, it was so big and it was just swimming. Right on by, like nothing was happening.
Alright, are you ready to go home?
Is there black all over me?
No, not at all.
Once I dry.